to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Sev. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 1/4 cup of besan or chickpea flour which I have sifted, some oil for frying, 2 tablespoons of hot oil, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of carom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of water. You will also need a spider spoon or a perforated spoon, a pastry brush, a spoon, extra 1 tablespoon of oil for greasing, a Sev maker which is also your Muruku maker, and a mold with small holes. The smaller the holes, the finer your Sev will be. I like to use this mold because I find it easier to press. Take the Sev maker and use a pastry brush to grease all the parts with the oil. Place the Sev mold on the bottom and screw it tight and put it aside. To make the dough, take your chickpea flour, add chili powder, turmeric, garlic powder, Asafoetida or Hing, salt, crush carom seeds in your palm and add it to the dish. Add oil and use your hand and mix it well to combine. Add water and mix it using a spoon until it is just combined. Dip your fingers in the oil and grease your palm. Clean your spoon, bring the dough together, take it in your palm, shape it into a ball and then roll it into a log. Fill the dough into the Sev maker and screw the top tightly. Wipe any oil on the outside of the Sev maker with a paper towel and put it aside while we get the oil ready. To fry the Sev, place a fry pan or wok on medium heat. Add oil and heat it. Line a dish with paper towel to absorb excess oil after frying. To see if the oil is hot, take a small piece of dough, roll it into a ball and drop it into the oil. It should take a few seconds to come up, which means the oil is ready. If the dough starts to brown very quickly, it means the oil is too hot. So lower the heat, wait for 1 minute and check it again. Place the Sev maker above the hot oil and turn the handle clockwise to make some coils. And once done, turn the handle anti-clockwise to stop the dough from coming out and put it aside. Fry the Sev until the bubbles have gone down. Turn it over and fry it for 20 to 30 seconds, depending on the thickness of the Sev. Take them out, shake the excess oil off, and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. I have finished making up all my Sev. Cool them for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, break them into small pieces and let me dish it out and show you. My Sev is ready and you can serve it to family and friends. Leftover Sev can be kept in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.